really need is a 10mm socket or the 10mm wrench out of your trunk. We're going to go ahead and start right over here. Remove the cover to the power. Come over here. Loosen up the 10mm connection. You do not need to remove it, you can just loosen it up. Then we're going to grab the kit. Look for the power end, which is the end with the fuse connected to it. Come over here. Slip it in nice and snug. Tighten the screw. Don't tighten it too much, just a little bit. Then go ahead and put the cover back on. We're going to come over here, remove these 3 screws over here. This is going to allow us to run the wire nice and clean, and also give us a little bit of wiggle room for the back cover. I'm going to go ahead and remove these 3. I'm going to go ahead and remove the cap. There's going to be 2 clips. There's going to be one over here. What we're going to do is we're going to move this back a little bit. Pull the clip back. And then there's not enough room, so you got to push this and then it'll wiggle right behind it. Same thing on the other side. Make sure you push the clip all the way back so the plastic cap can come out with no problems. Go ahead and grab the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb with the 2 connectors over here. Remove the plastic. I'm going to go ahead and remove the small little white piece over here. And then take the garment and snug it under here. You got the bulb in, just go ahead and twist it towards the right side of the car. That would be clockwise, and then go ahead, grab the connection from the bulb, grab the car harness right here, clip it in. If it's not going in, that means you put it in the wrong way, so flip it around and make sure it clips right into place. Tuck the wire inside the headlight. I'm going to go ahead and grab the cap. Grab the cap, pull your wires up, hold them up so the cap can fit into this area. Put the cap in. Okay, one by one you're going to want to run the wires through the hole. So once you go ahead and had your wires pulled out of the cap, you're going to go ahead and draw the wire. I want to pull this back. There's a simple little small clip that you just clip forward over here. Here, I'll do one more time. I just put my nail in it, pull it back, and then pull this up. Comes right out. You're gonna run the wire from on top of here. Leave your fuse over here accessible, so if it ever pops, you can get to it. You're gonna grab all the wires, stretch them out, draw them. Pull this back. Drop the power wire over there, pull this back, and run the wires under here so they're not visible. You can leave the relay showing on top of here. You can leave this hanging. We're gonna grab this, run the red wire to the red wire, clip it in, run the black wire to the black wire, clip it in. Remember, if you need to pull these off, do not pull from the wires. Pull from the ends, or you could pull the wire out. We're going to grab a ballast. Take the ballast. I don't have any double-sided tape right now, but you'd usually double-sided tape it. Stick it right here. Goes right there. plug this end of the harness into here. Then grab the two other wires coming from inside the cap, plug them in. Plug it in. At this point, if you want, you can test it, you can turn it on. Only your passenger side headlight will come on. If you don't want to test it, you want to continue with the install, that's fine. We're going to take the longer wire, run it over here, put some zip ties. We're going to run it under here, give it a nice tuck. And the wire comes over here so you can connect into the ballast. Go ahead and start on the driver's side over here. We're going to pull the clips back. First clip over here, pull it all the way back. Second clip on the inside, pull it all the way back. Move the cover, open it, grab the bulb, same as the other side. Run the garment under that little area over there. Then we're going to go ahead, put it into the hole. Turn it, tighten the bulb, then go ahead and clip the cable to the car's harness. Tuck it in. As you see inside the headlight, there's going to be two little holes over there. This one and this one right over here. That's where the pegs from the cap, from the bottom of the cap, are going to fall into. This should give you a better idea on this side since it's much more easier to see than the passenger side. What I'm attempting to do here is line the pegs with the holes. It's going to be a little bit tough, but all you do is once you have it aligned, you push it from the bottom. And that should give you a perfect little alignment over there. Run the wires through the hole. If you have the cap in place, it should just snug like that. Make sure you have the wires pulled out a little bit so they're not locking in there. Lock the clip, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pull. What I do is I usually just pull the bottom, a little bit of the head comes out, then I pull the right side, pull the left side, and the seal comes out. Make sure you double check your seal. It's very simple to see if it's good or not good by seeing if the rubber garment is actually sticking. Make sure you don't pull it too far out. You could tell it's nothing too tough. You see how my seal is over there? That's exactly how yours should be. Once you have that out, connect the ballast right over here where you see I have the double-sided tape, and then go ahead and connect it, and you should be set.